Hello. Hello, Kim.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. Can you on your camera?
Mm,
Good. How are you today, Kim?
I'm good, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Let's wait a bit for Ellie. So, can you tell me what did you do today? How did you spend your day?
Mm, in the morning, I wake up at 8 o'clock and I help my mom do the garden, to do garden.
Okay, that's nice. Um,
And mm, at lunch, I eat lunch.
okay, that's nice. So,
And, and in the afternoon, I learn with you.
you did what?
In the afternoon, I learn with you.
Okay, that's nice. So please, can you turn on your camera? Ellie, you're welcome to today's class. How are you? Turn on your camera, everyone. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Ellie. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Good. Okay, so can you tell me what did you do today? What did you do today?
In the morning, I eat breakfast and I study English.
Okay, you ate breakfast in the morning and now you're studying English, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue with the class. In the last class, we stopped at um, using public transportation. So we're going to start here today. And I would like you to tell me, Kim, do you like using public transportation or private car?
Pardon?
Do you like using public transportation or do you like using private car, for example, family car?
I like to use my family cars.
Okay, what about you, Ellie?
Um, I like uh, using bus.
Okay, so can you tell me your reason for choosing a public transportation?
It it it's a rush hour. Um, so there are big traffic jams. Public public transportation is faster and more reliable.
Okay, you said public transportation is faster and more reliable. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so we're not going to talk about this now. When we move further, we can now debate more on this. Okay? So Kim, can you tell me why did you choose family car? Why?
Because I can travel anywhere I want and it's more comfortable than use the public transportation.
Okay. Okay, that's a nice point too. Then, so in this box, we're going to choose the transport system we're going to use. Either public transportation or you choose a private car and you give the reason for that. So, Kim, if you're going to a city hall at 9 a.m., which transport system are you going to use? Kim,
Yes.
did you hear my question?
Pardon?
Did you hear my question?
Yes, I hear.
Okay, so if you're going to a city hall at 9 a.m. in the morning, which transport would you use? Would you use public bus or would you use a family car?
I think I will use public transportation
Okay, what is your reason
be-
for using public transportation?
because it will more convenient and 9 a.m. is
Okay, because it's more convenient and because it's more convenient and what? Kim,
it
are you
is
here?
good. Yes, I can.
So, are you done with your answer? You said because it's more convenient and are you done? Or you say
Mm,
because it's more convenient? Is that all?
Yes,
Okay, so Ellie, if you're going to City Hall at 9 a.m., which public transport would you use?
I I will use a bus
Okay, can you tell me your reason?
because it's faster and reliable.
Okay, because it's faster. Because it's faster and reliable. Okay, then if you're going to a friend's place at night, what would you use, Kim? What would you use if you're going to a friend's place at night?
because I will use the family cars
Okay, you will use a family car. Okay, what is your reason for using car?
because if I use the public transportation, I will wait a long time. So I think I will use the family car is good
Okay, so you say because it's faster, because it's faster. So what about you, Ellie? Because it's faster. Ellie, are you here?
Yes,
Oh, it's a mistake. So if you're going to the library, Ellie, which transport would you use? If you're going to the library in the morning, which transport are you going to use?
type of transportation is bicycle.
What? You
Bicycle.
bicycle. Okay.
Yes.
Why did you choose bicycle?
Uh, because the weather is cold in the morning. It's healthy and suitable for a short distance.
Oh, that's nice. But I think in this topic, we are only to choose between bus and private car. Okay, so that is a nice idea, but you have to choose between public transport and private car. So if you have these two options, which are you going to go for? Ellie,
Yes,
which are you going to go for? If you only have to choose between car and bus, no bicycle, which one are you going to go for?
um, a car.
A car? What is your reason, Ellie?
Um, because it is convenient and comfortable.
Okay, because it's more convenient and comfortable. All right, so let's move to the next page. Okay, so do you like to use public transportation? Kim, do you like to use public transportation?
No, I don't.
Okay. What about you, Ellie? Do you like to use public transportation?
No, I don't.
Okay. So, how have you ever been stuck in a traffic jam? Kim, have you ever been stuck in a traffic jam?
Yes,
What
it's
about, okay,
it's very crowded.
it's very crowded. Okay, then what about you, Ellie?
Yes, I have. It
How was
was
it?
very loud and frustrating.
Frustrating. Okay. Then the third one is, what is your favorite way to travel? What is your favorite way to travel, Kim?
My family cars.
Okay, Ellie.
My favorite way to travel is by car because it's fast and comfortable.
Okay, because it's fast and comfortable. That's nice. So, can you read this, Kim? Using a public transportation.
Using public transportation. When we want to go somewhere, we have two different choices. We can drive our cars or we can use public transportation. Many scientists believe that we should choose public transportation.
Okay,
These
okay. Hold
scientists
on. Hold on. Ellie, you have to read calmly. You don't have to be so fast, okay? You don't have to be so fast. Just slow and steady. Is that clear? You also have to
I
observe the punctuation marks. All right, continue.
I don't understand.
I mean, you should. Kim, can you hear me?
yes I can.
Okay, I'm talking to you, Kim. I said you should read slow, not too fast, not too slow, okay? All right, you can
Okay.
continue.
These scientists say that we need to use public transportation without using our cars. First, it is much better for the environment. Buses and trains can carry a lot of people, but they do not cause much pollution. However, cars cannot carry many people. They also cause much pollution. Second, the roads will be less busy if everybody uses public transportation. Then there will be fewer traffic jams. As a result, people can travel to their destinations much faster. Other people say that using car is better than using public transportation. First, using a car is much convenient. If a family uses their car to travel, they can travel at any time. They don't need to stop to pick up other people. Second, traveling by car is healthier. A lot of people get sick when they use public transportation. This is because it is often too crowded. There are sometimes people who cough in front of others.
Okay, that's nice. You read so well. Then I hope you all saw the point of using public transportation and also the point of using family car, right? Okay, so let's answer this question. How many choices do you have when we want to go somewhere? How many choices do we have when we want to go somewhere? Ellie? Hello, Ellie. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. How many choices do we have when we want to go somewhere?
Um,
How many choices do we have? If you don't know the answer, you can say, teacher, I don't know. Okay?
teacher, I don't know.
All right. So, Kim, can you try?
Two choice.
Two choices. That's great. Okay, I think we'll have more than two choices if we want to go somewhere because we can decide to use a private car, we can decide to use bus, we can also decide to use taxi. There are a lot of other choices that we'll have. Okay, we have different choices. You can choose to go somewhere with a bicycle. Okay, did you hear me?
Yes,
Hello. Okay. Okay, so the second question is, why is public transportation better for the environment? Ellie?
because it reduces pollution and use less fuel, fuel per person.
Because it reduce um pollution, right? And
Yes,
what? And what?
and use less fuel
L-
per person.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Less what?
Fuel.
Hello, can you please speak up? I can't hear you clearly. Ellie?
Yes,
You said less what?
fuel.
Low. Did you say flow? I can hear you clearly, Ellie, and you can spell it or you can write it so I can get what you mean or what you said. Okay?
Fuel.
Can you write it or can you spell it? Oh, okay, four. Sorry, I didn't get that. All right, you're right because some public transportation uses um green energy, while private car uses fuel. So it will reduce the cost of fuel. Then can you um tell me why public transportation is better for the environment? What do you think? Do you have another point?
Because it's carrying many people, so it's more less pollution for the environment.
Okay, good. Because it's carried more people and also less pollution. It causes less pollution to the environment. That's nice. I think another point too is because it's more cheaper. It's more cheaper. That's nice. Okay, then the number three, why will there be fewer traffic jams if more people use public transportation? Kim?
I don't know.
Okay, so Ellie, can you try? Why will there be fewer traffic jams if more people use public transportation?
Because there will be fewer cars on the road.
That's nice. Did you hear that, Kim? Did you hear that?
Yes.
Good. You know, when people everyone starts using public transportation, then there will be fewer car, no private car on the road, and that will reduce the traffic jam. Okay, that's nice. Then the fourth one is why is it more convenient to drive a car? Kim?
Because if you have a car, you can travel anywhere you want and do anything you want in the car.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, Ellie, do you have another point? What, why is it more convenient to drive a car?
Because you can go anytime and anywhere you want.
Okay, that's nice. And also because you don't have to stop in the junction, a bus stop to pick someone else. You just have to go straight to where you're going. And also because if you're traveling with a family, children can play without, thinking of disturbing other people. They can play freely. Then another next one is why do a lot of people get sick? Good. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Um, then the next question is why do a lot of people get sick on public transportation? Why? Ellie, why do a lot of people get sick on a public transport? Ellie, can you hear me? Hello? Oh my gosh. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I'm sorry
Yes.
about that. My network had issue. I had to quickly change. Okay, so Ellie, hello Ellie, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so why do a lot of people get sick on a public transportation?
Because it is crowded and full of germs.
Okay, because it's crowded and full of germs. Okay, do you have anything to say, Kim?
Because sometimes there are some people who cough in front of others.
Good. That's nice. Some people cough in front of other people. Okay, so let's look at this vocabulary. We're going to answer the question from number 1 to number 5. Okay, so number 1 goes to you, Ellie.
Can you repeat, please?
Okay, I want you to fill in the blanket with the correct answer you choose from here. For example, number 1, when you are stuck in a traffic dash, your car can only move very slowly. So what is the answer that is meant to be here?
When you are stuck in a traffic jam, you can on you your car can only
Move slowly.
move very slowly.
Okay, then came number 2.
When a room is crowded, it is full of people or things.
Okay. Then number 3, Ellie. Ellie, number 3.
Air pollution is bad for our health.
Okay. Came number 4.
10 p.m. is convenient for, for the engineer.
Okay. It's convenient. Then Ellie, number 5.
When you cough, you burst air out of your throat suddenly.
When you cough, cough. Okay,
Cough.
good. That's nice. Okay, so our time is up. We're going to end the class and join back in 5 minutes time. Okay?
Yes.
All right, see you soon.